1. Product Overview. The Lumyhealth Red Light Therapy Pad is designed for easy, at-home recovery. Its flexible design fits comfortably on the back, waist, legs, and joints to support relaxation and muscle recovery. 2. How it works. The pad uses two therapeutic wavelengths, 660 nanometers red light supports circulation and surface muscle relaxation. 850 nanometers near-infrared light penetrates deeper to help relieve muscle and joint tension. 3. How to use. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Adjust intensity from P1 to P3 based on comfort level. Choose your mode, constant mode for general recovery. 10 Hz pulse for deeper muscle support. 40 Hz pulse for relaxation and sleep support. 4. Placement. Lay the pad flat or gently wrap it around the target area for hands-free use. 5. Safety tips. Use 10 to 20 minutes per session, 3 to 5 times per week. Start at low intensity. Do not use on broken skin or near the eyes.